Shalom, Kapiwa. Elkai or Jehovah Elkai. Sino nga ba si Elkai? Ano ang kahulugan ng kanyang pangalan at ano ang responsable natin na dapat gampanan sa pangalang Jehovah Elkai? Who is Elkai? Number one, He is the living God. Emphasizes divine life. Pangalawa, eternal and self-existence. It means that He exists independently and sustaining all creation. In Genesis 1:1 and Revelation chapter 1 verse 8. Finally, a source of life. He gives life, breath, and spiritual vitality. In Acts 17:25, in Him we move, we have our being. In John chapter 1 verse 4, all things were created for Him and for His glory alone. Siyang pinagmumula ng buhay. What is the meaning of Elkai's name? Let's see and find out. Number one, it means the living God or the good of life. The God of life. In Psalm 42 verse 2. Pangalawa, divine eternity. Walang katapusan, walang pinagmulan. Genesis 1:1 and Revelation 1:8. And finally, he gives or a life-giving power. A life-giving power. Now let's go to the application in our daily life. Kung si Elkai ay Diyos na walang hanggan, Diyos na hindi nagbabago, Diyos na walang katapusan, then number one, we should seek divine vitality. Trust Elkai's life-giving power in Psalm 42 verse 2. Pagtiwalaan natin siya. Pangalawa, let us cultivate gratitude. Thank Elkai for spiritual renewal in Psalm 100. Siya lamang po ang nagkakaloob sa atin ng spiritual na buhay. And then, pangatlo, pursue eternal life. Accept Elkai's gift of salvation. In John chapter 3 verse 16, for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him should not perish but have an everlasting life. Then, pang-apat, let us be a good steward of creation and be responsibly. Manage resources wisely. Then finally, reflect divine character. Demonstrate love, compassion, and kindness. In Matthew chapter 5, verse 48, be ye perfect as the Father who is in heaven is perfect. Reflect the divine character. And what are those characters? Forgiveness, love, mercy, and holiness. Kapiwa, dapat po nating kilalanin ang Diyos na si Elkai, ang pangalan. At ituon ang ating buhay at pamumuhay sa Kanya, sapagkat ito ang nais niya sa iyo at sa akin. Ang buhay na pinagpapala ay buhay na nagpapala.